Well, things are shaping up to be quite active by the end of the week into the weekend. Severe weather threat will be growing by the end of the week across the plains. So an early heads up on severe weather shaping up for a few days here across the plains. It's going to start Texas, Oklahoma, into Kansas as we head into Thursday and Thursday night, and then that threat will expand and move north and northeastward here into Friday and into Saturday and Sunday as a secondary system develops more severe weather potentially Sunday into Monday. So it's been kind of quiet across the central U.S. for the last several days. And will be the next few days still, but that's going to change by the end of the week. We've got an intense upper level low. You can see this spin here off the coast of California. It's cold air aloft. It'll be moving into the west coast, over the Rockies, and as it gets east of the Rockies, we'll see things rapidly develop here. So watch this spin, this piece of upper level energy rotate through California here over the next couple of days, and then coming out of the plains as we head into late Thursday. And that is going to spawn storms here, a soupy air mass south of it, and warm, humid air moving in ahead of it as well here as the upper atmospheric flow becomes oriented in a really pretty stormy setup for us with waves of thunderstorms late Thursday, late Friday, and then again Saturday and Sunday. So this is going to create a lot of soaking rainfall as well across the area. And there's that secondary area that we'll have to be watching for Sunday into Monday for more storms. So get ready, potentially. Energy levels, CAPE, that convective available potential energy, really expanding across the plains. That's a function of moisture, heat, and instability. Cold air aloft to help generate storms, and that will be expanding, as I mentioned, across the plains here as we head into Friday and the weekend. The jet stream will be roaring, and this is what I mean. We've got the southwest to northeast orientation. This pushes warm, humid air up ahead of it, and then sets the stage for as that colder air aloft moves in and destabilizes things to produce storms. We'll have plenty of shear along those upper level winds too here. That will be moving north and east and expanding. And importantly, those crossover winds, where we look at winds in the lower atmosphere, 4,000 feet, and then middle to upper atmosphere, approximately 18,000 feet. And you want to see those kind of come together at a right angle. And that combined with the amount of instability we have generates that supercell index or the significant tornado parameter, both measuring similar things to show where storms could really get organized. And I've talked about this before, but we look at analog models too. Basically, what do these atmospheric conditions look like compared to previous outbreaks, and how does that compare for a statistical look at where severe weather looks most likely? And it is lining up with where the Storm Prediction Center is placing those early outlooks for both Thursday into Friday. So potentially as far north as Minnesota could see some strong storms here by the end of the week, and lots of moisture, huge soaking rains here from these storms possible over the course of the weekend. And again, this is just through Sunday. We could be dealing with more rain and storms later Sunday into Monday as well. So 'tis the season. Spring is getting going here as heat and moisture expands across the plains.